Today's logistics publicly traded company spotlight is on Ryder System, Inc. Ryder System is a leading provider of outsourced logistics and transportation services to customers throughout North America. Ryder has three key business segments. The first is Fleet Management Solutions, which provides full-service leasing, commercial rental, and vehicle maintenance services. The second is Supply Chain Solutions, which provides fully integrated port-to-door logistics solutions. And the third is Dedicated Transportation Solutions, which provides turnkey transportation solutions. Here's just a quick overview of some financial metrics of Ryder System, Inc. The PE is 15. Market cap is $6 billion. The EV to EBITDA is 4.7. The earnings per share is 10.27. EBITDA is 3.3 billion. The current ratio is 0.8 and the quick ratio is 0.6. Here's just a quick snapshot of the operating results by business segment. Currently, revenue is 12.6 billion as of 2024. Fleet Management Solutions was just under 6 billion. Supply Chain Solutions was 5.3 billion. And Dedicated Transport Solutions was approximately 2.5 billion. Here's a breakdown of revenue and assets by segment. FMS was 39%, SCS was 42%, and DTS was 19% in terms of the revenue. And for the assets by segment, FMS was 73%, SCS was 22%, and DTS was 5%. Ryder System has a diversified customer base ranging from food and beverage, retail and consumer goods, industrial, transportation and logistics, automotive, housing, technology, business, and other. Here's a projection of past, present, and future revenue as well as earnings per share. Again, revenue in 2024 was 12.6 billion. It's projected in 2026 to be 13.8 billion. Some 2025 outlook highlights for FMS, the operating revenue growth at target due to higher pricing. SCS operating revenue growth below target reflecting ongoing economic uncertainty. DTS operating revenue growth below target reflecting ongoing market headwinds. Ryder System, Inc. is favorably positioned for cycle upturn. Some of the upturn conditions include FMS improved freight market, DTS tightening of driver market, and SCS recovery of omnichannel retail. Some key opportunities for FMS: grow rental fleet to capitalize on increased demand. For DTS, additional sales opportunities. And for SCS, leverage expanded footprint. The U.S. commercial fleet market is estimated to include 10 million vehicles, of which 5 million are privately owned by companies, 2 million are for-hire carriers, 1 million are leased from banks or institutions, 1 million are part of utilities and government fleets, and 1 million are being leased or rented from third parties like Ryder. Here's a list of executive officers for Ryder System, Inc. The chair and chief executive officer is Robert Sanchez. He's been president and chief operating officer from February 2012 to December 2012. Was president Global FMS from September 2010 to February 2012. You can see the other executive officers as well in this list. Here's a performance graph of Ryder System, Inc. compared to the Mid-Cap 400 Index and also the Dow Jones Index. As you can see, Ryder System has significantly outperformed these indices. And we'll also show you some charts, another 5-year chart as well as a 10-year to show how they're prices fluctuated throughout. So as we showed, this is a 5-year chart and there was significant outperformance. We'll just bounce back real quick to this chart. As you can see, from 2022 to 2024, there was significant outperformance. Even going back to 2021, there began significant outperformance compared to the indices. You can see it's just a steady trend up going back to 2020. But if you look at the 10-year chart, it's a little more choppy. Going back to 2016 to 2020, it actually declined over that 5-year period. And then in 2020, it began its uptick to where it is now, which is approximately $160 a share. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching.